Amazon Maintenance Technician Assessment Test. The Amazon Maintenance Technician Test is conducted by Amazon as part of the hiring process for the maintenance technician and RME tech positions, that is, reliability, maintenance, and engineering technicians. The test is a unique variation of the well-known Ramsay maintenance test, which is already detailed in separate video. Test structure. So there are 3 levels of this test. Amazon Tech 1, which is for roles at entry level or post apprenticeship. Amazon Tech 2, that is the intermediate level test for junior positions. Then we have Amazon Tech 3, which is the advanced level test used when recruiting for senior positions. Now all levels of the Amazon Maintenance Technician test last 150 minutes and comprise of 75 questions. The tests in Tech Level 2 and Tech Level 3 are split into different subsections further, with each subsection assessing a different aptitude of knowledge area. Now what does this test measure? Basically, the test evaluates candidates on the essential skills and aptitudes required to perform the role of a maintenance technician safely and effectively. The test assesses candidates' understanding of basic physics principles. This was all. Thanks for watching.